In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram comments not showing. So first thing you want to do is check if your internet connection is good. So if you scroll up from your phone, you should be able to see your internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a strong internet connection, and this could fix your issue. But if you're still having an issue, so simply you need to leave Instagram, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and simply update your Instagram. A task as simple as updating it could be the reason you're having this issue. So update it, and hopefully this should fix your issue. If you're still having an issue, then you should leave Instagram, go to the phone settings, go to search and search for apps, and here click on apps, and inside of apps search for Instagram. Click on Instagram, go to storage and clear cache and clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal images in Instagram. So after you do this step, go back to Instagram and check if your issue has been fixed. Notice how Instagram will log me out because I cleared the data. Simply log back in and check if you're still having the issue. So if you're still having the issue, then what you can do is you can try restarting your phone. So if you leave Instagram and simply click and hold on the phone's power button like this, you should be able to see a restart. So here, as you see, simply click on restart and restart your phone, and this should be fixing your issue. But if you're still having an issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram, and hopefully this should fix your issue. But if you're still having an issue, then your last try is to simply go back to Instagram, click on your profile, click at the top right, and simply report this problem. So if you go down here, click on help, and then click report a problem, report problem without checking, and here you will see a report where you can simply include a explanation, upload images and screenshots, and Instagram support will help you solve this issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.